Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A42 5G and I'm going to show you how you can put screen protector on this device. So at the first, let's turn off our device. So press power key, then turn it off by tapping 2 times and input your current lock method. After that we have to grab our screen protector and let's see what we have here in the box. Okay, so as you can see, here we have 2 wipes, dry and wet. We have to start with wet, and after that we are going to clean it with dry. And of course, let's check if the screen is not broken, because it sometimes happened. Okay, it's all okay, so let's try to put it like that. I think it's a little bit too smaller. But okay, no matter. So let's try with the wipes at the first. And would be also cool if you have some kind of the duct tape or stickers to take off any dust, because sometimes when you clean it with these wipes, there will be still some pieces of the dust that we have to take off before applying our screen protector. Okay, so let's check the screen. And I think that right now it looks much better. So right now we can grab our screen protector. Right now just take a look on the screen if there is no any pieces of the dust, and I think that is all fine. And right now we can try to put it from the top section. So put it right here, for example. And right now we have to press from the upper section. Do it slowly, and then we can just put it. And as you can see here, we got some kind of the mess, so we have to just press with our dry wet to clean it. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished, so right now we can turn on our device. And as you can see right now, we can easily use the device with the screen protector, and right now you don't have to be afraid of any scratches or the breaks on the screen. So, thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!